Serene. Okay, today we're going to be doing a couple division problems. So let's go ahead and start with this one. And let me know if you need any help. Where's your pencil?
What's he like?
So the first one is going to be 35 divided by 7. And just let me know if you need help. So what does DMS mean?
Division,
Mm-hmm.
multiplication,
Okay.
subtraction.
And if you need help, just let me know.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. All right. So let's look at this, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So when you look at 7 and 5, we want to know fact families. So with division, we're going to have 35 divided by 7 is going to be equal to something. And you know the biggest number when you're multiplying, is always on the end here. So we know it's going to be 7 times something is going to be 35. And then we know whatever that number is times 7 is going to be 35. These are the fact families. We also know 35 divided by whatever that number is going to give us 7. So the $1 million question is, what is that question mark?
Well, okay. This is 5.
Okay, so 5 times 7 equals 35 is one of the fact families.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's finish the rest of the fact families. 35 divided by 7 equals 5.
Oh, yeah.
That's good. Okay, can we finish any more?
Mm-hmm. And then 7 times 5.
7 times 5 equals 35. Good. And then we just have one last one.
7.
35 divided by...
Oh, that don't.
Okay, 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Okay, great. So when we have this is the same as saying 35 divided by 7. So based on you looking at this, what's 35 divided by 7?
5.
Right. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. So what did you do over here when you were kind of doing 7 into 35 minus 14? Like,
and then it's the way that my teacher taught me.
oh, okay. So I'm going to let you keep going. I'm going to see what answer you come up with. So why did you put the 2 over there?
Because 2 times 7 is
14. Okay. So then what do you do now?
Take it away.
So this is what you do when you don't know the answer, when you don't know the facts.
Do it like this, but I guess you can.
Yeah, we don't really want to do it this way when we know the fact family. So for example, if you have 14 divided by 2, what is that answer? And which you can always think about is like the fact families. So this is like saying, when you're dealing with division, it's like saying 7 times what will give me 35. So this is like saying 2 times what will give me 14. That's all that is. So 2 times what will give us 14? Do you have no clue?
Uh, 7.
2 times 7? Okay. So if we have 8 divided by 2, how do we know how to get that answer? Do you have any idea, like, how do you deal with these division problems?
Um,
So what do we do here?
Multiply.
So we're trying to figure out when we have division problems, we're like, okay, this is on the bottom, this is on the top. So we have to multiply whatever's on the bottom by something to get whatever's on the top. So here we figure out we have to multiply 2 times 7. That's how we're going to get 14. Here it's like, okay, we have to multiply 2 times what to give us 8?
So you do it, and then you put the 7.
So 2 times 7 equals 8? Does 2 times 7 equal 8?
No.
Okay, so 2 times what would equal 8?
4.
Again, 2 times 4 equals 8. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So anytime you don't know division, you can say 8 divided by 2 is going to be equal to what? 8 divided by what is equal to 2. And then we can do 2 times what equals 8. Because you know with multiplication, the big number always goes after the equal sign. And then question mark times 2 equals 8. So we're just going to do one more. And you can do it any way you want. We're not going to use the long division way because these are fact families, so we don't have to use long division. So you can either use this way. You can use 2 times what will give me this. So you can use one of those two ways. Okay, so we're going to do 16 divided by 4. And I want you to use your pencil and see if you can help me figure out how do you deal with 16 divided by 4. Take your time. And if you need help, let me know.